Take a ride in the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.